Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have the Emperor L.A. Lewis. Now he's talking about a lot of stuff pertaining to jobs and how, sometimes we have to get rid of the persons that are in our lives that don't contribute to how say in helping us to get further in life. So if there's someone that's holding you back in your life, someone that's not looking forward to progress and is not, doing anything where progress is concerned, then he's saying to cut them off. He's saying sometimes it's your children, sometimes it's your friends, sometimes family, but you have to get rid of them. He also says that it may be hard to do, but in the thick of it and in the thin of it, you'll be able to do it. And once you do it, it will be much easier. So listen to the Emperor as he speaks, and like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment on this channel.
Sometimes I wake up 3:30, sometimes I go to my bed 4 o'clock, and then I wake up back 5 o'clock, 1 hour out of sleep, people. That's why when I have money, Badmind the Emperor, Badmind the people, the construction workers, see that? Look how much people up on the road already, see that? People up on the road line up for going to work. These are the people who want to make it in a life. Some women who depend on them front, see that? See a look at old man here, they on the road with film, look at pitney in the morning, one more look at pitney, and them still late. And then now, that baby mother, the people, know say the Emperor is a working man and me have to reach place, but every morning she do the same thing. You could have wake her up 4 o'clock, she barely take her time, mope around in the place. You understand? Then when them grow and lonely by themselves, them tell say people bad mind them. Then when they left them, people, let me tell you something. Get rid of the people about your life who not do nothing towards your benefit. It might seem hard. You understand? I could have if you want children and people. Trust me, the Emperor might tell it and say, yo, the Emperor, say, I saw you a hard life people. My witness many good people turn workless. Baby mother turn enough. Wife turn enough good man workless. I grew up come see people. Remember, I know people, I'm 50 now. I'm 50 years old. And from me, I look at youth. I see some big top man who used to have money. Woman make them turn workless. Man used to get up early and go and work. To him fall in love with woman. Woman start make him wake up late for go and work. Mash up the whole of business thing. I see all a drugs dealer. You understand? Woman make them mash up. You understand? Woman influence them to start fight against them when a friend them. Woman influence man, yo. See if Peter touch there. Who make Peter touch dead? Woman make she dead. Make him dead. I see it. She's still alive now. And a sex on the whole place with different man. Peter touch dead. So they use Peter touch as an example. Yeah, son. Use Peter touch, cigar Peter touch. If and if I'm woman, him would have dead. Yeah, son. Him life there go and go till him about this woman. Till you start surrogating from all of the things them what to make him make money. You understand? Peter touch start come out and bed late. Peter touch start reach through the late. You understand? This look a man come up for tax Peter touch. And then she run with the money, while up the man. And the man get mad and shoot her first and shoot Peter touch and kill Peter touch. Hello. It was a hit still people. But if Peter touch never have that woman the people, he might have still alive until today. So people. Now, when you is on this length, and some people is on this length, but you love them, make them come up on a length here. You don't go down on that length here back. You look down and reach out your hand for grab them up. But if they want to grab you, say, no, come down on my length, come go and stay, man. Don't you nice, man. Come second down with you for your time, man. Don't go down back on the length, the people. Do not go down back on that length. See it here? You're there at $1,000 length. Them people are down at the $100 length. And then because them look pretty down there and them look nice and you take a one look of sex off of them want drag you down back at the $100 length with them. So after a while, your $1,000 is going to become $100. And then after a while now, when all age reach you and certain things reach you, you pop down and gone and nobody remember you. When you have to stay up on your $1,000 length, then you go to a $5,000 length, then you go to a $6,000 length, then you go to a $7,000 length, then you go to a $80,000 length, then you go to a $1 million length. I notice nobody's even sharing the show because most of the women them now, I saw them stay. So them no want to hear what the empress said. See there? Police wake up on the road from morning. See there? They look for hustle. See there? Government put them out on the road from early. Say if police step on the road and them do regular job and them not even get a good pay. And then you will do a multi-million-dollar job. You're gonna make a woman hold you down back. That's you end up worse than police. See the people, police step on the road from early, the truck come let them off. The truck come let off every police on the corner, them people. For tax people, see that? Pay police up on the corner. You understand? When them should they fight crime, the government have them fight traffic. The government have them fight traffic. So big up my police them. You understand? But police make for serve and protect for fight crime and for help out people and go to school and do one bugger thing. So when police are communicate with the people of the land, but when time the government put out the police and for intimidate the people them, even police afraid of police when them come out when and police don't like police when them come out of uniform. But anyway, I see that people, so I'm driving now to work and you see all the traffic tight people. So imagine until now, the youth them not ready yet, cause you see it. She make sure turn off the phone because she want me to come around there. See that people? It's hard-working people. This is the prep school people. And enough of them people are late for the prep school. See that? But mostly business people come at the prep school people. So you see it? Security there from morning at the gate. See there? And it's a church school to people. So what a driver them man. See there? People that take them people out of school. You understand? Mothers. See there? Business people let off them kids at school from after 6. If you can't let off your kids them off of school from after 6, teachers have to reach school 6 o'clock. School open 7 o'clock in the people. But the teacher them have to reach work from 6 o'clock. Unless it's a careless school you go. You understand? So we just step on a program this morning. For sure you know people said, "Uno stop live the careless life, not for uno mother. Uno dream of getting rich. But uno is not doing nothing to get rich. Uno say uno want a rich man. But yet still uno tell the man say I have to reach home 5 o'clock every day. No rich man can reach home 5 o'clock. A rich man is got to be grinding and grinding and grinding. And then sometimes they work till late in the night. Because him want to make it to the top. Him want to get that next business deal. You understand? A poor man now, I wait for the clock for go king, for run guy home. That boy there will reach home and he will not have a good woman named life. Where you believe 99% of them don't have a good woman in their life. Where you believe 95% of the woman is not a good woman. No disrespect, you know. We're trying to make you a good woman. So the emperor come here to come teach, you know. No for a woman is not good. Because on average, no real man want an average woman. And no real woman want an average man. But yet, guess what now? Because the woman act average and the man act average, you end up still be together and you miserable and you watch one bag of days of our life wishing you can be like that until you get old and grey and pauperizing. Then you just dead wastefully. Because when they're dead, nobody not even dead for burial now. People have to chump up and beg money for burying of our now. You understand? Better than 200 people. Greetings, Carla. Carla. Greetings. Yes. There, man, the emperor there.
You really want to dig up the place, man. You don't say, yo, man, I was trying to shoot him, man. You see it?
Yes.
Man, do some read up thing, isn't it? And the man wants to read up the thing.
Oh, well, I do the read up this morning now. Yes, and I usually charge. I just yesterday I get some complimentary read up. I $300 US I'm charge to the read up family.
$300 US?
Yeah, I'm charge to the read up.
Oh, alright. You know what I'm going to say? I'm going to call you after the year before 15, because I'm going to do that.
Yes. Family, with you now,